How to change YouTube language to English on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. You will then be taken to the YouTube homepage. As you can see, YouTube is currently set to a different language. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Here, go to General. Then, tap on App Language. You will then be taken to this page in the Settings app. Scroll down to the Preferred Language section at the end and tap on Language. You can view all the available languages. From here, select the language that you want and then open YouTube. As you can see, the language has been changed to the one you just chose. Following these steps, you can easily change YouTube language to English on iPhone.